Withdrawing funds held by Zelle is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully access your money. Step 1. Access your banking app. Open the mobile banking app of the financial institution that you use with Zelle. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle. Look for the Zelle option within your banking app. This is usually found in the Payments or Transfers section. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Check for received payments. Once in the Zelle section, check for any received payments that are currently held. This will show you the funds that are available for withdrawal. Step 4. Initiate withdrawal. Select the payment you wish to withdraw. Follow the prompts to transfer the funds to your bank account. This may involve confirming the amount and selecting the account for deposit. Step 5. Confirming complete. Review the transaction details and confirm the withdrawal. You should receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that the funds have been successfully transferred to your account. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be available in your bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to your bank's customer service for assistance.